Is Forever Living a legitimate health giant or just another pyramid scam? We're about to reveal the truth. Hey, welcome back. Today we're investigating Forever Living, famous for aloe vera, but infamous for its MLM model. We'll cover its history, top products, how they pay you, and finally, is it a scam or a solid business opportunity? Forever Living began in 1978 when Rex Maughan planted his first aloe fields in Scottsdale, Arizona, Phoenix, USA. They went public in 1989, and by 2024, they boasted distributors across over 160-plus countries worldwide. Their flagship product is the aloe vera gel, over 98.7% pure aloe extract, designed to soothe and hydrate. They also offer bee pollen capsules to support your immune system, and a royal jelly cream that promises skin rejuvenation and a healthy glow. Forever Living uses a multi-level marketing structure. Distributors earn a 25% retail margin on direct sales, plus an override bonus of up to 8% on their team's purchases. Here's the reality: high-quality, lab-tested ingredients and a massive global support network. Forever Living is definitely real, registered and profitable. Do your research. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.